Just one time watch the full video. You can't believe that. You will be able to learn most important things from this video. So please, just one time watch the entire video. Hello sir, what do you want?
I want a mobile phone.
Which brand?
Samsung.
Please see this model of Samsung.
How much is it?
20,000 rupees.
Is there anything cheaper?
Yes, this model is 15,000 rupees.
Okay, let me see this one. After looking at the phone, this is good. I will take it.
Okay, let me get it packed.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Hey, what's your favorite thing to do in your free time?
I love listening to music. It just relaxes me.
That's cool. I enjoy playing video games myself.
Nice. It's a great way to have fun.
Definitely. What type of music do you like?
I am into Bollywood songs mostly. How about you?
I prefer rock and pop. Different taste.
Yeah, but that's what makes us unique, right?
Absolutely. It's awesome to have our own favorites.
Totally agree. Keeps life interesting.
For sure. So let's keep enjoying what we love.
Definitely, my friend. Cheers to that.
Hey, weekend is coming up. Any plans?
Yeah, I am thinking of watching a movie. You?
Just relaxing at home. Maybe reading a book.
Sounds nice. I need a break from work. You know.
Totally get it. Weekends are for unwinding.
Absolutely. Maybe I will also catch up on some sleep.
That's the spirit. Enjoy your weekend, buddy.
You too. Have a great one.
Hey, have you ever traveled to any new places recently?
Yeah, I went to Goa last month. It was amazing.
Wow, I have always wanted to visit Goa. How was it?
It was so much fun. Beautiful beaches and great food.
That sounds like a dream. I need a vacation too.
You should plan one soon. Where would you like to go?
I have been thinking about visiting the hills, maybe Simla.
Simla is lovely, especially in the winter.
Yeah, I want to experience the snow there.
You will love it, I am sure. Nature's beauty at its best.
Can't wait. I will start planning for it.
Awesome. Let me know when you go. Have a blast.
Thanks, I will. And I want to hear all about your next trip too.
You got it? Let's keep exploring and sharing our adventures.
Hey, you stuck in traffic too?
Yeah, traffic is so bad today. What's the reason?
Maybe an accident or just too many vehicles on the road.
Oh, it's frustrating. I am getting late for the meeting.
Same here. Wish they could fix this traffic issue.
Seriously, we need better roads and maybe more public transport.
True, that would help reduce the traffic. Until then, we will just be stuck like this.
Yeah, let's hope for a smoother road drive tomorrow.
Hey, Independence Day is coming up. What are your plans?
I am thinking of having a BBQ party at my place. How about you?
That sounds cool. I might watch the parade and then join your party.
Nice. We can decorate with flags and have patriotic music.
Yeah, and we can wear red, white, and blue too.
Absolutely. It's a time to celebrate our country's freedom.
Do you remember the history lesson about Independence Day?
Yeah, it's when we got free from another country's rule.
Right, we were under their control, and then we fought for our own country.
Many people sacrificed their lives for our freedom.
We should be grateful for that. Our country has come a long way.
Definitely, we have grown and developed so much since then.
I love how everyone comes together on this day, despite our differences.
It's a day of unity. We all share the same love for our nation.
And the fireworks in the evening are always breathtaking.
Yeah, they light up the sky and symbolize our freedom.
I also enjoy the food on Independence Day hot dogs, burgers, and apples.
Ha ha. True, it's a feast. And don't forget the ice cream.
Right, we can't leave out ice cream. So, who else is coming to your party?
A bunch of our friends. I invited some neighbors too.
It's nice to celebrate with friends and neighbors, makes it more special.
Absolutely. We will have games or activities for everyone.
Maybe a little friendly competition, like a sack race.
Great idea. We will have prizes for the winners.
It's all about having fun and cherishing our freedom.
That's the spirit. Freedom is something we should never take for granted.
Agreed. Let's make this Independence Day memorable.
Count me in. It's going to be a fantastic day.
Hey there, can you believe Independence Day is right around the corner?
I know, time flies. What are your thoughts on this special day?
Well, it's a time for reflection and celebration. We remember the struggle our ancestors went through to gain freedom.
Absolutely. The sacrifices they made, the hardships they endured, all for the sake of a free nation.
It's a humbling reminder of the price of freedom, and it's our duty to preserve and protect it.
Very true. So, do you have any family traditions for Independence Day?
We usually gather for a big family meal. It's like a mini reunion, filled with laughter and good food. If you really want to improve your English, if you really want to speak in English, so you can follow this channel. We will upload that type of video every single day. Please support me. Please subscribe and press on the bell icon. Like, comment, and share.